G'day, mates. G'day, mates. G'day, mates.
G'day mates, I'm Flinty, and this week I'll bring to you a handful of facts that you didn't even know about the scary horror movie, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So without thinking about it too much, let's get started with some of the facts. And a little disclaimer here, this might be a little bit spooky for you, because it's about an R-rated film. So on to fact number 1. Now, did you know that the original plan for the movie wasn't for the enemy in the film to harbour a chainsaw as his weapon, but originally the evil family in the film lived on a potato farm and they would use potatoes as their weapons. What they'd do was that they'd have some potatoes that were extra hard, some potatoes that were poisoned, a whole range of dangerous potatoes as weapons. And now we go on to fact number 2 that you didn't even know. Now, did you know that the baddie in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie, Leatherface, actually has a leathery face because it's made out of bits of old skin? But did you know the original plan wasn't for him to have a mask, it was for him to have a masked belly. That's right, in the original script that was found recently, he was called Leather Belly because he'd simply have a belly made out of bits of old skin. In the end though, they went with a mask and give him an apron to cover up his stupid belly. What a stupid man. And now on to fact number 3 about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, did you know that one of the original plans again wasn't for the actors who were in the film to be in it, but there was an original group of actors that were all supposed to be in the film. All members of the band Queen were originally supposed to be the main characters of the Sawyer family in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. But unfortunately, Freddie Mercury, Brian May, Bono and that other one couldn't be bothered to come to Texas to record the film in the end, so they just got some actors to do it instead. I can't help but think what it would have been like if the members of the band Queen had been in the film. And now we move on to fact number 4 about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre that you didn't even know. Now, did you know that during the filming of the movie, 2 of the original actors were actually chopped to bits by mistake by the deadly chainsaw? That's why, in the end, when they filmed bits for the film, all of the chainsaw scenes were actually off the side of the camera. You can't actually see what's going on, because when the scenes were filmed with the saw actually touching people, it would chop them up into bits in real life. Unfortunately, these 2 actors were completely dead, so couldn't be in any future movies ever again. And finally on to fact number 5 that you didn't even know. Now, you probably noticed when you're watching the movie that the members of the Sawyer family look like they've seen better days. Their hair looks a little bit grubby, their teeth looks like they could do with a bit of a scrub, and God knows what's going on with their filthy skin. Now let me tell you why. Because to get into character for the role, the actors who play the family decided not to wash for 7 months, all the way up to the start of filming, and then they would wash again after the film was wrapped up. At which point they would breathe a sigh of relief as they would finally get clean again. You could say that it kicked up a bit of a stink on set, because phew, did they flipping smell some. Now, thanks for tuning in this week to find out some facts about a movie that you didn't even know. Don't forget to subscribe with the red subscribe button down below, and come back next time to see what we can dig up for you. All the best, mates, and good day.